VAT. Now, VAT is roughly 15% of revenue, but the thing is, not all 15% is going to be deducted. So if you do 1 million a month in revenue, not all 15%, the 150,000 Rand, which that would equate to, will be paid over to SARS, because you can offset a lot of expenses to that VAT. For example, if you had to buy cost of goods and the cost of goods was 100,000 Rand hypothetically, then hopefully the supplier that you're buying the stock from is VAT registered. Now, if they sell you 100,000 Rands worth of goods and there's VAT included in that, then it means that out of that 100,000 Rand, 15% will be VAT. So if the invoice basically came down to 100k, then you can officially deduct 15,000 Rand of that to VAT. Okay, so if your VAT then was 150k on a 1 million Rand store, which will be 150 in theory, then 15k can be deducted from that 150k. So now you only have to pay 135k essentially. And you can do this with every single expense that is connected to the business. Have an actual very strong financial person help you squeeze the most amount of money from the VAT and the expenses that you actually have in the business. Go through every single expense and ask yourself, is this connected to the business? And they will legally tell you what you can offset and what you cannot.